Hello guys and good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day 3 of the Dandeli trip. We are at the Bison Resort, Dandeli. This resort has a wonderful river view and there are a lot of birds here. Very beautiful resort.
Good morning, Bhargav and viewers. We will now, or rather I will now demonstrate mobility exercise. The first thing which you guys can do in the early morning. Right, here I go. 10 inhalations and exhalations. This position. Sideways bend. Thank you.
तो फिर हम लोग आपको इनवाइट कर रहे हैं हम मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला आप आइए
And the one with the sun and wind.
This is my friend.
Hi.
Your name?
Archit
Okay.
Kulkarni.
He is from Kolhapur
Yeah,
and
आपसे ना कोई करनी
she's my mom.
okay. Very nice meeting them.
Yeah.
We can even do that.
Cycling day 2 begins from a resort in the morning towards Dandeli city for breakfast, and we had planned for 50 kilometers ride so that we could come back to our resort before 12 pm and check out.
Such a beautiful road, guys. Wonderful climate. If it's a tough rolling also, doesn't matter. But the smoothness of the road matters. The roads are smooth. We can go like this. It feels so happy when people give so much respect during cycling. They wave, they encourage us, congratulate. That feeling is only different, guys. And even the locals feel very happy seeing us riding on their roads.
After riding for about 1 hour 15 minutes, we reached to our destination, that is Dandeli city. After having a yummy breakfast, we started riding back towards our resort.
10 kilometers more to go.
We successfully completed riding of 50 kilometers in the rolling terrain. Later, we packed our bags, dismantled the cycle, and put back into our cars. In the middle, we stopped at a place called No B, No V, where pure honey is produced. They explained us how the honey is manufactured. After spending about 30 minutes in the honey factory, we started driving back towards Udupi. We had 6 hours of drive from Dandeli.